working, and guess what? I'm working, it is hot, I am sweaty, and somebody got the heater on. It's a large compartment inside here. I can fit the tripod and everything. That's what I'm looking for, is room. Well, it's been a long time since I've seen y'all. How are y'all doing? It's been a long time. Make sure I have no boogers in my eyes. It's been a long time since I've seen y'all. Whew. So getting back home, I need to stock back up on some things at the store. So I know I'm gonna have to go back outside. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. But I don't wanna go nowhere. Oh, I need to check the mail because I have a package. Yeah, I have a package, so need to check that. Yeah, and I'll pick y'all back up. It's already September 12th. Time is going by fast already. Next, it'll be October. And are y'all ready for October? Because I'm not ready. I don't think I'm ready. I think this time around, I'm gonna move around in Florida when I go back to Florida because I still have not made up my mind like where I'm gonna move to. Anywho, my package came today and I'm so happy. What's this? Oh, I got another sun visor. They make this plastic so hard to open. Yeah, I'm gonna need this sun visor today. A little bit on the small side. It got elastic on the inside of it, and it stretches. And this is the band. Okay, I like this one better than my last sun visor because that one broke and I lost it while I was walking. Okay, so I like that this has elastic on the inside. It's stretchy. I like it. I love it. Yeah, so I love it. I'm gonna most definitely wear this today. It's a little wrinkly, but I'm not trying to look cute with this on. It's just protecting my skin from UV rays. That's why I'm wearing it. And then I purchased this blouse. So pretty. Love the colors. Like, I would love a pillow in this print. But everything is so wrinkly, girl. Wrinkly. I can't stand all these wrinkles. But I love it, though. I gotta find some pillows, like, in this style, or some wallpaper or something. Man, I've been into wallpaper lately. Even on my Instagram account, I posted inspiration of wallpapers on Temu. Okay. Then I got some more red lipstick. Where's my red lipstick? And a new tripod. Because I need this tripod. And the tripod that y'all are on, I can leave this one at home and just take this one with me, the zebra one, everywhere I go, you know, in public or at work. I really don't feel comfortable vlogging at work because I feel like there's really nothing to vlog at work, to be honest with you. And I don't want some people feeling uncomfortable. I'm talking about coworkers, you know what I mean? So this one goes on like that, and it should tighten. And I love that these snap. And hopefully this one can last me a long time, because the last one I purchased from Temu was the red one that I showed y'all, and that one broke. That's why I went ahead and purchased this tripod, because I'm gonna need it, most definitely. I want to show y'all my red lipstick, the red lipstick that I purchased from Temu. Come on. Cute little package like that. I think last time when I purchased these lipsticks, it was from AliExpress. And the packaging was different, I think. It's been so long, though. But I just been stuck on these stainless little lipsticks. And they look like little champagne bottles. It's by Manzi Mayo. And it's in the lip color red. And it's called Lip Tint. And I just love these. Like, who don't love a beautiful red lipstick? I do. Girl, do y'all love red lipstick? Because I want to tell you something. I love red lipstick. On camera, it's probably not coming out red. But it's my kind of lipstick, red. So this is what she's looking like. I used to buy like a lot of these, but later on in life, I'll buy, you know, more of them. And then I also got some plant stickers. So one of these days, like when I'm decorating my planner and stuff, or journal, I'll show y'all these stickers. So love it, love it. Then I got a new makeup bag. This one has strawberries on it. And so I'm gonna be using this one for travel. Makeup travel bag. From what I did not have was a travel pillow. And I've been telling myself, okay, I'm gonna get me a travel pillow. So I got this little inflatable red travel pillow, because I thought the red color was cute. And it looks like this. And all I have to do is just, you know, blow it up when I get on the plane this coming time. And I can rest my neck and fall asleep on my airplane ride. So cute. Love it in the color red. I think they had the color blue, purple. But I was like, oh, I want the red one because it's like fitting my girly side. Give it up for Temu for always coming through. Now this video right here is not sponsored by Temu. I purchased all these things with my own money. So I just wanted to show y'all like the little things that I purchased because I need to have a little, you know, decor change when I go back to Florida. I think to moisturize my skin, I also want to put like some Vaseline on my skin. I'm just in a skincare mood today because it's nothing like being back home, taking care of your skin. And that's where I'm at. Vaseline is like a skin coolant to me, especially after like washing my skin. I don't want to put something on my skin and it make my skin look oily. Now this new perfume I got, it's by Jean Marc Paris, and it's called With Love from Paris. And it actually smells good. It really does. It's like, oh, this stuff smell good. Okay, so we meet one more time again in my bathroom. Why do we keep meeting here? Because I'm always in here getting ready every time I get up. And this is all I gotta show y'all right now. But anyhow, get my wig. Oh, that wig look bad. That wig look bad. But that's the best I can do. We're about to get ready to go to work. Yeah, it is Friday and it is September the 13th. Friday, September the 13th. That's what it is today. I'm going back to work. No, I do not want to go back to work. I don't. I'm just being honest, but I gotta go back to work. All right, y'all, I gotta get ready to go. I'll talk to y'all in a little bit. Hello, y'all. There's no way that I'm going to vlog today because today has just been a crazy, crazy day. And I don't want to talk about my work life or anything, but all I have to say is, yeah, but I just wanted to come up on here and just talk to y'all for a little bit. I am exhausted. I got my butt in my bed and Friday was a bad day. Friday was September the 13th. September the 13th? Friday the 3rd. Wait. Friday the 13th. It was Friday the 13th. I really didn't pay attention to that. That's why I was having a bad day. Nothing personal, but I was so shocked that some people were just acting a fool on Friday. Friday was just a bad day. It really was. I'm a sweet, nice lady, but do not push my buttons because I will call you every name in the book if you push me there. It's like you telling me the truth, I will tell you the truth. I don't want to be saying bad words on my YouTube channel, but Friday made me write a post and just post it onto my Instagram page. And I said some mean words, okay? And I called some of these people the B word. And one particular person ugly because you're just being ugly, being in everybody's business. You always got something to say. Why don't you mind your business? That's what's wrong with you. Okay? It's nothing personal. It was just a crazy Friday the 13th. I never experienced a terrible Friday the 13th at that. Okay? So it just had to be something with this Friday the 13th. myth thing where the day is just crazy. It's like a full moon. It was just crazy. But anywho, today is September the 15th. It's a Sunday. Today I pretty much stayed home. I relaxed. I made sure that I stayed in and rested a lot. I got up later in the evening, took my walk, as y'all saw from the tree vlogging that I be doing when I take my walks. I love to look up at the trees, you know, take a deep breath, just enjoying my walk and the fresh air outside. Today was really a nice day. So I think I want to end out this vlog. I will talk to y'all in a daily vlog because I'm going to be getting back on schedule with daily vlogging. Yeah, I'm going to do that. And I will see y'all in the next vlog. Y'all take care. Y'all have a good night. Talk to you soon.